So this is the Nature Center at Shad Landing here in Maryland. And I've lived here for a number of years, and I honestly didn't even know this was here. Let's go in and take a look. And we got some stuff. Some beetles. Nice buck. Wow. I don't know.
There's an eel in there.
Where is he?
Its tail is right here.
I see him.
It's right there.
Elijah.
It's right there, the tail.
He's just hanging out in there. Nice painting.
Got a long-nosed gar.
Oh, wow. Alligator gar. Or is it a long nose?
Long-nosed gar. Just went backwards.
Well, got some other ones. Catfish. Big catfish.
He looks like he's making a kissy face.
Eastern.
Sorry. Kissy face. Yeah. Long-nosed gar, bluegill, pumpkin seed. I always called them bluegills. And white and yellow perch here in the Pocomoke River. And we got some baby fish. Pretty neat. Oh, a painted turtle. Wow.
Nice.
This guy's warming up. Oh, he's a big painted turtle. Pretty big anyway.
Audio field guy? No, that's cool. Look at this girl right there.
Spotted turtle.
He's living out back there.
Oh, wow. Black-capped chickadee. I can't believe we've lived here this many years and not really known this place existed. It's crazy.
Look at this giant snapping turtle. There's no snake.
That
Oh,
looks like a copperhead, but it's
it does.
a racer. I wonder if you ever killed one of those snake nets.
I like snakes, just not the copperheads.
Hey, what's in here?
I got barked on by a church vulture.
There is. No,
Where is he?
he's probably in there.
What are we looking for?
The eastern box turtle.
No, remember he said that he's out on
There's one at the birdhouses made from a gourd.
the eastern fox turtle. They said are out on location right now. There's a fox.
But here's the thing. There's a giant snapping turtle in
Look at those beaver jaws, teeth.
Oh, that's a big owl pellet.
Oh, wow.
here.
Look at that big snapping turtle. Bet she's old. Or she. Oh,
Angry.
I don't know. She's chilling. Plenty of fresh fish to eat. Or a dead fish.
Look at his face.
Lifespan in the wild. Up to 30 years.
What is that?
It's a big snapping turtle.
Oh,
Big snapping turtle.
big daddy. Is that your chunga?
And some different skulls they have here. White-tailed deer. That's pretty cool. I thought they were called alligator gar, but they're long-nosed gar. Looked like an alligator. Don't think there's any black bears around anymore. Here, anyway.
King snake?
There's nothing in there.
Oh.
There is. In the king snake? No, there's not.
Gray fox.
I really want to touch the. I really want to. I want to see.
This map is cool. Hey, look.
Oh, it really is.
Here's our house.
Yeah. Right around there somewhere.
Here we are.
Mommy,
Yeah,
look.
we're on the map.
Mommy, look.
That's kind of neat.
I believe I can drive. I believe I can touch.
Remember that's what the trailer truck Tom was
Yeah,
doing?
that's
We were
what we
kicking
found.
her back like that.
Look. He's just sitting on her
Great snakes.
legs.
At least there's no rattlesnakes around here.